Hey guys, kawbotting here. Just going to run through the new customizable scripts update. Show you a few example scripts that can be created. So first, just download the KAW Epic Battle Bot from the website, and you notice it's now version 2.2. So we'll just extract here on the desktop, and you'll see this folder. So open this, and you now see two program folders, one called Install Bot, which will install the bot, and one which is optional, which is called Install Script Creator, and that's what we're going to use to create our scripts. So first, you'll install the bot by opening that Install Bot folder and clicking the setup.exe file, and then following the prompts. And after that's installed, if you want to create scripts, you'll open this folder and click the setup.exe file in the script creator folder and follow the prompts. I've already installed mine, so once you've done that, you'll have these two applications. The KAW Epic Battle Bot you'll find on your desktop, and the Create Scripts you'll find in your Start menu. Okay, so first we'll open the Create Scripts and have a look at that. Okay, so here's the window for creating scripts. I'll walk you through a couple of features you'll see. There's the Epic Battle name, and if you click this, you'll see there's a list of all the epic battles, and there's also titles for the collection of epic battles, and right at the top you see one called All Epic Battles, which is what you'll be using mainly. Then on the left hand side you'll see actions, which allow you to select whether you want to attack, steal, scout, assassinate, use items. In the middle you see the number of times you want to do each of these actions, and on the right you'll see time between clicks, which is how fast the bot's going to click. For this, 3 is a very good number for fast to average computers. If you have a slower computer, 5. If you have a really slow computer, 8. But yeah, 3 should be great. I wouldn't recommend making this quicker. 3 should be fine. For the item stages, this number is 10 times faster for when it's clicking the item. So it's 0.3 seconds, which means 3 items per second. So again, 3 is a good number here. And down the bottom, you'll see time to wait after doing these actions, and it's set at 5 minutes for default. And so what this means is that when the bot starts, it will do the actions required for the number of times you specified, and then it'll wait the time you specified, and they'll start again doing the actions and the number of times you said, and then waiting again. Just keep doing that. Then you'll see two buttons, one called Apply, which will apply it to the epic battle you've selected up here, and then another one called Apply to all epic battles. So right now we have all epic battles selected, so either of these buttons will work the same in this case. If you have a single epic battle selected, then Apply will just apply the settings to Kingdom Assault in this example, whereas Apply to all epic battles will apply them to all of the epic battles. There's also category headings, as said before. So if I choose All Furion of Exile, if I choose Settings and click Apply, then these settings will only apply for all of Furion of Exile. So if I did that, I'd have to remember to make settings for these epic battles, these epic battles, and all the rest. For most users, I'd recommend using the All Epic Battles selection, as that's a quick and easy way to do this. And then finally you'll see a button down here called Save Script to File, and I'll explain what that does at the end. So just run through an example of how to create a script that will unload all troops per hour. So to do this, we'll select all epic battles, because we want these settings to apply for all the epic battles. And then we'll click the actions, and we'll tick all of them, which means that when the opportunity to do any of these actions comes up, the bot will do them. So time to wait after each round, we're going to change to 60 minutes. We're going to leave time between clicks at 3 seconds. And we're going to have to change the number of actions to be enough to unload. So for these numbers, we want them to be high enough that the actions will fully unload the troops in each of these settings. It doesn't have to be exact though, because the bot will keep going until the number of actions has been achieved, or troops are run out, or you fail an attack. So setting this number to a relatively high number, like 200, means that the bot will keep attacking until troops run out. So sticking a number like 200, 500, 800 will all work fine in this setting if you want to fully unload. I wouldn't go into the thousands because it might make the bot run a bit slower, but yes. Okay, so once we've done all that, we'll click apply. You'll see added options for all epic battles and some numbers here which don't need to make sense for you. And then we'll click save script to file. And you'll see it opens the default directory where the bot is saved. And we'll name this unload per hour .txt. Save that. Okay, so what we've just saved is we've saved a script that will do all the actions. It will fully unload the troops using average speed, and it will wait 60 minutes before it starts up again. And it's going to do that for all the epic battles. So we'll now open the KAW bot. You'll see on this version of the bot, the load script button is now available. So we'll click that, and you see it opens the default directory again, and you see our unload per hour script that we just created in here. So click on that, click open. You'll see these settings are no longer available because the bot will be using the settings that we've outlined in our customizable script. So once you've done that, you'll click play free now, you'll log in, you'll get to your default game screen, then you'll just click start full version, and the bot will do what you've specified. I'll just close this, and I'll open it up to show what standard users will do. So if you don't want to do a customizable script, when you start the bot, just click play, you log in, and you choose your options from down here as you have been previously. So for most people, you want fast speed, and if you want items, you'll click this one. Click this one. If you don't want items, you'll click this one, and then click start once you're on your default game screen. So we'll just pop back to the create scripts application and run through a couple more different scripts. Okay, so another common complaint is that the bot either attacks too quickly and the troops start to run down over time, or not enough and the troops build up. So we'll show you how to change that. You'll go to Epic Battle Name and choose all Epic Battles, and then you select all these options, and here's what we need to change that. So if your troops are running down too quickly, it means you're doing too many attacks, or you're doing them too quickly consecutively. So two ways of changing this is to make these numbers lower, which means they'll attack less per round, meaning your troops will build up more, or keeping these numbers the same, you can make it wait longer per round. So we're changing this to a longer time, means it'll wait 6 minutes instead of 5 minutes before attacking again, meaning your troops will have time to regenerate. On the contrary, if your troops are building up too much, you can change these to higher numbers, meaning it'll attack more per round, or alternatively, you can make this a lower number, something like 4 instead of 5, and that way it will start attacking again sooner and get your troops down quicker. Two other common scripts you might want to create is if you don't have any spy troops and you're a pure attack build, you want to unselect the steal, scout, and assassinate, as you can't do those actions. Just leave attack and use items if you want to use items, and click apply to all epic battles, and then save the script. Alternatively, if you're a pure spy build and don't have any attack, you want to untick attack, keep steal, scout, assassinate, again apply to all epic battles, save script to file, open the bot, you can load your script, it'll do exactly what you've told it to do here. So yeah, hopefully that's a good walkthrough. run through that for epic battle name. You can go through each individual epic battle and specify what you want it to do. You go through each category of epic battle and specify what you want it to do, or for most users, specify actions for all the epic battles, which means that the bot will do each action when it's available in an epic battle. You can choose which actions you want the bot to do. Only attack ones if you don't have any spy troops, only spy ones if you don't have any attack troops. Obviously, use items or don't use items. You can change the number of times it attacks per sequence, for if it's running your troops down too quickly or building troops up too much. And you can also change the time between clicks. If your computer's slower, you make this a larger number. If your computer's fast, you make this a smaller number. And then you can also specify the time to wait after each round of attacks. Then you just click apply, and then you save the script, and you can run it from your bot. So I hope this helps, and we'll help you as best we can. Thank you.